It's a 2018 Ford F-150. Job after job, this truck is always ready for the next project. It comes with great features you love: EcoBoost engine, 4-wheel drive, engine auto stop start feature, trailer hitch receiver, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, auto dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Baglier Buick GMC. Browse our inventory online or in person, or swing by our award-winning service department today. You can find us just to the south of downtown Butler on Pittsburgh Road.